i35equipment.com. Today we're in the Bobcat T870 and we're going to be showing you how to use your Bob-Tach or hydraulic quick attach system in this machine. Very easy. We're already got it running and in operating mode. Everything's ready to go. So we've lifted it up here a little bit so you can see these auxiliary hydraulics operating. We're just going to use this button right here. I'm going to zoom in on it for a second. This Bob-Tach wedges up and down. We're going to go ahead and bring it up. You can see it's unlocking those handles for us. Right now you're fully unlocked, so you would actually unscoop out of your bucket and drop your bucket. And then to lock, of course I like to have mine tilted back so you're in the real good position for those wedges to hit. You're just going to hit down. We're in down right now and you can see the levers are going down. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Hope this video is beneficial to you. As always, you can see our full and up-to-date inventory online at www.i35equipment.com. Be sure to consult your operator's manual before you do anything, and don't do anything with anyone standing underneath your machine, bucket, or anywhere else around. Have a great day and stay safe.